So we are trying to install these mono custom pads. They included the Velcro and double-sided tape in the package. Let's cut these samples off and let's lay them. So we're gonna find out why they created this. So there must be a reason for that. So I'm just taking the reference from this rubber curve of the rubber and placing it here and see. Nice. What if I install it a little bit further? Now if you're watching my videos, I've been asking for ideas for better Velcro solution. Now this is the size, this side. So I'm not expert, guys. I'm just normal ordinary person who have very limited DIY skills. So I'm gonna be trying to use those limited DIY skills and let me clean this surface up quickly. So I am using this WD-40, special WD-40 for computers. This one is not ordinary WD-40, it's a very expensive product. This is quick drying WD-40 which you can use on electronics like motherboards, ICs, and because there's high petroleum in it and very less moisture, because it's safe for electric things. Put the photo in the screen now. Fast drying. So I don't have alcohol available, but this has similar solution inside, so I'm just gonna clean these pads a little bit with this solution. So since I said my DIY skills are not pro skills, was using this tissue toilet roll type thing which was leaving residues which I don't want. So I went and arranged some proper cloth to wipe this dirt off. Okay, so it should be now. This material stinks like exactly like petrol, raw petroleum, unleaded, unleaded petrol. More strong smell than alcohol. It should wipe off all the oil, sweat. Okay, so now we're gonna stick this. I'm just checking how it's gonna go. The triangle bit. Okay, so this should go. Now this is the test for this material that they sent. How good it's gonna hold this, because I have all the doubts in the world that not many adhesives gonna hold with this rubber. So what I have done is I'm taking this line reference and keeping about 1 centimeter distance from the bottom and 1 centimeter distance from here. So it's ending up here. So there is 1 centimeter at the back. Now that's the real test for this adhesive, how well this going to hold? I'm gonna press it from the center first and then make my way up. If it doesn't work, if this doesn't work, the adhesive doesn't work, then I have some that are nice friend Neon EUC have sent us some sticky double-sided tape. We're gonna try that if that works. If that doesn't work, we're gonna try what Sai advised us, the Sai from Sai Pads. He advised carpet tape that might work on this rubber. We're gonna try that. If nothing else works, so this edge sticks out, so I might will have to cut it out so it doesn't cause. Let's cut this bit off, otherwise this is gonna cause the whole thing to come out. Okay, now from the look of it, it's strong enough. If you look at it from the initial look, it looks well enough. Stick really tight there. So it's all about this side. It's always all about this side, like soft part of the Velcro, because on the pad I'm sure they have stick it with right material and it's not going to come out on the pad from the pad. But this is tricky because we are trying to attempt something which is very difficult. But they have provided this is nice. It's cut accordingly, pre-cut. Looks like it's a small bit, this bit which is here. So if this going to be here, then that going to start from here. Okay, so let's peel it off from one side. I'm trying to keep 1 centimeter or half a centimeter gap, so it doesn't, it has enough space to hold. Okay, it's done. So let's push it from the middle first. So I have kept about half a centimeter gap all along. Okay, so that's done. Now there is a moment of truth about if this going to hold it or not. Let's install our pad. First one. What is that? It's gone deep inside. I don't care. Okay, so moment of truth. So they are installed and this is how it looks. right now. So I've kept straight aligned with the curve of the rubber, and it's totally neat. So one side has been installed. Now it's turned for the other side. So it has been installed. Now both sides, this is how it looks. This is how it looks from sides. This is how it looks from the top. Maybe this a little bit more. So they will get more tighter once the pressure from the legs applies here on the both sides. They will only gonna get better locking once the pressure comes. I'm concerned about that side, inner side of the Velcro, that might come off. So they are properly aligned. Looks like properly aligned from both sides. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my videos and you want me to keep making more content, hit me like button. That will motivate me to create more content. And I'll do a test run. Next video is a test run. We're gonna go test it out, if they're gonna last, if they come out or not, and how it feels, and I'll give you my review about these. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.